Hello everyone, welcome to Ishara Learning Hub. In today's video, we are going to learn basic warehouse terminologies. This session is specially designed for beginners, students, and people who want to start a job in a warehouse. Even if you have no previous warehouse experience, this video will help you understand the most commonly used terms in a very simple way. So let's get started. Now let us understand the different types of warehouses. There are many types of warehouses and each one is used for a specific purpose. First is DC distribution center. DC stands for distribution center. A distribution center is a fast moving warehouse. Here goods are received, sorted and quickly sent to stores or customers. Products do not stay for a long time in a distribution center. Second is a fulfillment center. A fulfillment center is mainly used for online orders. Companies like Amazon and other e-commerce platforms use fulfillment center. Here orders are picked, packed and shipped directly to customers. Third is the cold storage. Cold storage is a temperature controlled warehouse. It is used to store food items, medicines, frozen products. Temperature is maintained to keep products safe and fresh. Fourth is bonded warehouse. A bonded warehouse is a customs approved warehouse. Imported goods are stored here before customs duty is paid. These warehouses are under government or customs control. So each warehouse type is designed to handle different products and business needs. Now let us understand 3PL, which means third party logistics. A 3PL is an outside company that manages warehouse and logistics work for other companies. Instead of doing everything on their own, companies hire a 3PL to handle their logistics operations. What does a 3PL do? A 3PL company handles receiving goods, storage of products, picking and packing orders, shipping to customers, and handling returns. So all major warehouse activities are managed by the 3PL provider. Example, Amazon is the client and XYZ warehouse works as a 3PL. The 3PL stores Amazon products and ships them when orders are received. Why do companies use 3PL? Companies use 3PL because they do not need to build their own warehouse. It saves cost and helps in faster delivery to customers. In interviews, you can say a 3PL provides logistics and warehouse services to multiple clients. Now let us understand active stock. Active stock means the stock that is picked daily or very frequently in a warehouse. These items move very fast and are in regular demand. Characteristics of active stock. Active stock items are fast moving items. They are usually stored near the picking area so workers can reach them quickly. These items have easy access, which helps in faster order processing. A good example of active stock is daily selling grocery items such as rice, flour, or packaged food. Why is active stock important? Active stock is important because it saves picking time. It also improves productivity as workers spend less time searching for products. So managing active stock properly helps warehouses work faster and more efficiently. Now let us understand buffer stock, also known as safety stock. Buffer stock means extra stock that is kept for emergency situations or high demand. This stock is not used daily, but it is very important for smooth warehouse operations. Buffer stock is used when there is a supplier delay. It is also used when there is high customer demand. Sometimes buffer stock is needed because of transport or delivery issues. A simple example of buffer stock is keeping extra winter jackets before the winter season. This helps companies meet customer demand without delay. Buffer stock helps to prevent stock out, meaning products do not go out of stock. It also helps in smooth operations even when problems occur in supply or transport. So buffer stock acts as a backup and helps warehouses run safely and efficiently. Now let us understand hazmat, which stands for hazardous materials. Hazmat refers to the materials that are dangerous to human health or the environment if not handled properly. These materials require special care and strict safety rules in the warehouse. Examples of hazmat materials include chemicals, gas cylinders, flammable liquids, and batteries. All these materials can be harmful if they leak, spill, or handled incorrectly. Special requirements for hazmat. Hazmat materials must be stored in separate storage area. They must have proper labels and safety symbols so everyone can identify the danger. PPE or personal protective equipment is mandatory while handling hazmat items. Only trained staff are allowed to handle hazmat materials. In interviews, you can say hazmat materials require strict safety compliance and special handling procedures. So, proper hazmat management is very important to ensure safety, compliance, and accident prevention in warehouses. Next term is cross docking. Cross docking means goods are moved directly from inbound to outbound without storing them in the warehouse. In simple words, products do not stay in storage. They are received and shipped quickly. Cross-docking process. First, the truck arrives at the warehouse. Next, the goods are sorted based on destination. After sorting, the goods are loaded directly onto the next truck. So there is no long-term storage involved. What are the benefits of cross-docking? Cross-docking helps reduce storage cost. It allows faster delivery to customers. It also results in less handling, which reduces damage. Where is cross-docking used? Cross-docking is commonly used in retail warehouses, grocery warehouses, or fast-moving goods. So cross-docking is a cost-effective and fast logistics method for handling high-volume products. Now let us understand DDP and DDU, which are commonly used in international shipping. DDP is delivered duty paid and DDP the seller pays everything including shipping charges, customs duties and taxes. The buyers receive the goods at their doorstep without paying anything extra. So DDP is very convenient for the buyer and DDU is delivered duty unpaid. In this case, the seller pays only for shipping. The buyer pays the customs duty and taxes when the goods arrive. So the buyer must handle customer clearance and extra charges. Where are DDP and DDU used? DDP and DDU are mainly used in international shipping and imports. In interviews, remember this line: DDP means the seller pays everything. So understanding DDP and DDU helps you clearly know who pays what in international logistics. Now let's learn about FIFO, which means first in, first out. FIFO means the old stock is used before the new stock. In simple words, items that arrive first in the warehouse are dispatched first. Where is FIFO used? FIFO is mainly used for products that have an expiry date, such as food items, medicines, and cosmetics. Using FIFO helps ensure that products are used before they expire. What are the benefits of FIFO? FIFO helps to prevent expiry loss. It also ensures better quality control because older products are cleared first. So FIFO is a very important inventory method to reduce waste and maintain product quality in warehouses. Next, let's understand what a pallet is. A pallet is a flat platform used to stack and store goods in a warehouse. Pallet helps keep products organized and stable during storage and transportation. Types of pallets. There are different types of pallets. Wooden pallets, commonly used and cost effective. Plastic pallets, durable and easy to clean. Metal pallets, strong and used for heavy loads. And what are the equipments used with pallets? Pallets are moved using a forklift or a pallet jack. These tools help in lifting and moving goods safely. What are the benefits of using pallets? Pallets allow easy movement of goods. They also help in safe stacking and reducing damage and accidents. So pallets are basic and essential part of warehouse operations. Next term is the replenishment. Replenishment means refilling peak locations from reserve or bulk storage. In simple words, when items in the picking area start finishing, they are refilled from backstock. Example, if a picking shelf becomes empty, the stock is refilled from bulk or reserve storage. This ensures that pickers can continue working without interruption. What are the types of replenishment? There are two main types of replenishment. The first is manual replenishment, where staff manually checks stock levels and refill the shelves. The second is system generated replenishment, which is done using a WMS, warehouse management system. This system automatically creates a replenishment task when stock is low. Why is replenishment important? Replenishment helps avoid picking delays. It also ensures a smooth workflow and continuous operations in the warehouse. So proper replenishment is very important to keep warehouse operations fast, smooth and efficient. Now let us understand RFID, which is radio frequency identification. RFID is a technology used to track goods using radio waves. Instead of scanning items one by one, RFID automatically detects items using special tags. The difference between RFID and barcode. Unlike barcodes, RFID does not require manual scanning. With RFID, multiple items can be tracked at the same time. This makes warehouse operations faster and more accurate. Where is RFID used? It is mainly used for improving inventory accuracy, preventing theft and loss, and enabling automation in warehouses. So RFID is a modern tracking technology that helps warehouse work smarter, faster and more efficiently. Now let us understand the term slotting. Slotting means placing products in the best possible warehouse locations. The main goal of slotting is to make picking faster, easier and more efficient. What are the rules of slotting? First rule, fast moving items are kept near the packing or dispatch area. This saves time during picking. Second rule, heavy items are stored on lower racks to ensure safety and easy handling. Third rule, similar items are kept together so pickers do not need to search in multiple locations. What are the benefits of slotting? Slotting helps in faster picking. It reduces walking distance for warehouse staff and overall it improves warehouse efficiency and productivity. So proper slotting is very important to make warehouse operations smooth, fast and cost effective. Now let us understand SKU, which stands for Stock Keeping Unit. An SKU is a unique code given to each product in a warehouse. This code helps to identify, track and manage products easily. Example of SKU. An SKU like shoe BLK42 means shoe product, black color, size 42. Even a small change in color, size or model will create a new SKU. Where is SKU used? SKU are used in WMS, which is Warehouse Management System, inventory tracking, and billing and order processing. Always remember this rule, one product equals to one SKU. If the product changes, the SKU also changes. So SKU is the backbone of inventory management and helps warehouses work accurately and efficiently. Now let us do a quick interview revision of the key warehouse terms we learned. 3PL means an external warehouse service that manages logistics for other companies. Active stock refers to fast moving items that are picked daily. Buffer stock is extra safety stock kept for emergencies or high demand. Hazmat stands for hazardous materials, which are dangerous goods requiring special handling. Cross-docking means no storage where goods move directly from inbound to outbound. FIFO means old stock is used first, especially for expiry-based products. Replenishment is the process of refilling picking locations from reserve stock. RFID is used for automatic tracking of goods using radio waves. Slotting means smart placement of products in the warehouse for faster picking. And finally, SKU is a unique product code where one product equals to one SKU. These are the most commonly asked warehouse interview terms. If you understand these concepts clearly, you can crack beginner level warehouse interviews with confidence. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ishara Learning Hub. Thank you. Have a good day.